Hello everyone. In this video, we will see Python match. Okay, the match statement is used to perform different actions based on different conditions, right? So the Python match statement, instead of writing many if-else statements, you can use the match statement. Okay, the match statement selects one of many code blocks to be executed. So this is the expression. This is how it works. The match expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the value of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The example below uses the weekday number to print the weekday name, right? Okay, so uh, day 4, right? So match day case 1, print Monday. If it's case 1, print Monday, case 2, print Tuesday, 3, 4 to Thursday. So if you see, this is like a switch statement, like, okay? This is like the switch statement. So Thursday, right? Day 4 should be case 4. uh, Default value, use the underscore character as the last case value. Use the underscore character as the last case value if you want a code block to execute when there are not other matches, right? So day 4 match day, case 6 print today is Saturday, case 7 today is Sunday, case the last one looking forward to the weekend. Okay. uh, okay, so there is no 4, so this will print this line. Okay, the value will always match, so it is important to place it as the last case. The value will always match, so it is important to place it as the last case to make it behave as the default case. Okay, combine values, use the pipe character, this one, as an operator in the case evaluation to check for more than one value matching. Okay, so you can use the pipe character as well. Day 4 match day, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so they all are connected with the pipe character, and today is weekday, right? So case 6 or 7 print I love weekends. So here you see this. If you put here 5, I mean 6 or 7, anything, then this will give us I love weekends, right? If statements as guards, you can add if statements in the case evaluation as an extra condition check. Okay, so month 5, day 4, right? So match day, case, so 1 2 3 4 5, if month is equal to 4, right? A weekday in April. Case 1 2 3 4 5, if month equals 5, a weekday in May. Case no match, right? So if we provide here like 7 and 8, so we will see no match, right? Which character can be used as a default case value in match statement? Which character can be used as a default case value in a match statement? Pipe statement, pipe. Okay, sorry, default case value in a match statement. Day 4, okay, print Saturday Sunday, looking forward to the weekend. Match day, case 6 print Saturday, case 7 print Sunday, and case. Which operator used as an OR operator in the case evaluation? It is, right? Okay. Python while loops. Python has two primitive loop commands: while loop, for loop. The while loop. With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true, right? With the while loop, we can execute a set of statements as long as condition is true. Example: print I as long as I is less than 6. Okay, so I, if I is equal to I equals 1 while I is less than 6, print I. Okay, so I equal to I plus 1. While I is less than 6, print I, right? I equal to I plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to increment I or else the loop will continue forever. The while loop requires relevant variables to be ready. In the example, we need to define an indexing variable I which we set to 1. The break statement, with the break statement we can stop the loop even if the while condition is true. Okay. Exit for the loop if I is 3. I equals 1 while I is less than 6, print I. While I is less than 6, print I. If I is equal to 3, break. I equal to I plus 1. While I is less than 6, print I. If I equals 3, break. I equal to I plus 1. The continue statement. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. With the continue statement, we can stop the current iteration and continue with the next. Continue to the next iteration if I equals 3. I equals 0 while I is less than 6. Let's see what happens. 0 while I less than 6, I equal to I plus 1. So 0 plus 1, 1. If I equal to 3, continue. So when I equal to 3, this will skip that iteration, right? You see, I3 is not being printed here, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So we already, if you learned any other language, programming language, you already know this kind of thing, but applying this while you're doing project is the real important thing. Remember to increment. Okay, remember to increment I or else the loop will continue forever. The while loop requires relevant variables to be ready. Okay. Ah, oh, cool. I say engineer.